I want to speak with you.
Amaka, you can go now.
Get up.
Why are you here?
The way you've been disrespecting mother and father, I don't like it. And the people of this kingdom, what is your problem?
Because I am a princess. That's why.
The princess? Yes. Even if you're the princess, are you the most beautiful person I've ever seen in this world?
See, I know your problem here. Your problem is just jealousy. You are jealous of me because all suitors who are supposed to come to you as the one who is due to marriage are all coming to me.
How can you talk to me in that manner?
You slapped me.
If you speak to me in that tone again, I will slap you over and over again.
Don't worry, Father will hear this.
Go!
I will tell Father for you.
Mama yo yo yo, mama yo yo yo, mama yo yo yo, mama yo yo yo. Onye na-enya n'azụ. Come on, you get up. You son of a bitch. Live here. Mama yo, mama yo, mama yo yo yo, mama yo, mama yo.
Shiloh, please, since they have rejected us, we are not going to reject ourselves as well. I know it's just a mere accusation, and I know fully well that you did kill your parents.
See, my brother one naked, you can go back to them. They rejected me and not you. And besides, I'll be here and here alone with my chief, and with him shall I be with. Just go. Enjoy yourself with them.
Never.
They did not reject you too.
No. I can't do such, brother. We came here together. Leaving you here all alone, it will be for my own detriment or ours. Please just cheer up.
Eh? Just look at me. Take a good look at me. Everybody in the village, my friends, or those I should call my friends, peers, call me and treat me like Osu. What wrong have I done? Is it a cause for one to lose both parents? They all address me as parent killer. Did I kill my parents? And then they treat me, I am sick and tired with this ill treatment they are giving me. And I can't bear it any longer.
Ogonna, enough of all this. Just chill up, brighten up, brother. Pick your flute. Please go and play. Dance as usual. Smile, just chill up. Let's go down.
Emegbula nwogbenye chi nwogbenye nọkwa nso. 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 Akwa nwa na-ebe nne m wee nna m wee. Onye ka m ga-akọkwara m wee nke m akọkwara m. Totocha ayama ajama. Totontobore bu ajama. Emegbula nwogbenye chi nwogbenye nọkwa nso. Emegbula nwogbenye chi nwogbenye nọkwa nso. Akwa mụ na-ebe nne m nna m wee. Onye ka m ga-akọ n'ụlọ nne m biko bịa n'ụhụrụ nwa gaya. Nna m akwa nke m na-ebe ya metụ gị n'obi yo ezi nna m. Chime okike kere ụwa biya zọnụ.
Ogo!
We have to go now.
Why do you stop?
Why do you stop now?
We need to go now.
Ogonna,
Please.
we have to hurry. It's getting late already, please.
Very much late.
But all done now. Don't you think you should play it one more time for
Just
us?
like even though it's one.
Yes.
I promise I will play that on next AK market today.
Yeah, we promise.
Just to be here.
Are you
need
sure
extra
you will
support.
come?
I will
Okay,
come.
promise.
We will be here.
Promise.
I promise I will come. Farewell.
Okay.
Okay, now let's go.
Wow, that Orphan is so amazing on that field.
He was not only amazing, in fact, he stole my heart. He is the best I've ever seen. I never knew he was such good.
I knew it. He's a wizard. That is flute like that is that they gave him that flute so that he can initiate some people into their kingdom.
Okay. Your envious and jealous nature won't change anything.
Okay.
Just tell him. So, the earlier you admit he is good, the better for you. By the way, when he started, I never believed it was him. Not until we went close and saw him dancing and singing with others.
Did anyone see my son?
No, we didn't see him.
No, we left the program before them. Maybe we should still go for to visit them.
Nne, good evening. And this one you and Nature is hurriedly walking. Hope all is well.
Did you see one neck, my son?
Yes, Nne. We saw him, and I guess he's teaching your son one or two bad things behind.
Stop, Udo. No, don't mind him. They are coming from behind. Maybe you should just go further. And besides, I suggest that you both should go home since they are coming home quick.
Can go home.
Udo, this your mouth.
Let's go.
This your mouth. One day it's going to kill you.
Good evening.
What are you doing here by this time of the night? Huh? Oh. And you are with a young lady. Who are you and what are you to my son? Do not worry. Never again will I see you anywhere around my son. Are you one neck? You already know what I can do. Am I crying? Are you the son of a witch? You kept this my son out till this time of the night. We'll finish it there too. Don't worry. Be coming. Ebere and Amaka, do you know what?
What's my beautiful princess?
I want to go and bathe in the stream near the border today so as to walk around my kingdom and meet my subjects to be soon. Do you think, girls?
My princess, that would have been a very good and interesting one. But my princess, I think it is too early for us to walk through the road to the stream. And you know it's always fearful and lonely. I think we should leave it later in the day.
See her. Fear will definitely kill you before death itself. My princess, don't mind her. I don't know why she's always being afraid of what I don't know.
My princess, have you seen her? What wrong have I done to her? Biko Amaka, please, leave me alone. I don't have your time this morning.
Biko, my princess, let us forget her and go. I think she have another place she wanted to go. That's why she wanted to use our head.
But my princess...
Enough of this, Ebere and Amaka. How you people saying? Stop it now. Please, let's leave here, please.
Sorry, my princess.
Further to you, my prince. Please wait.
Alright, my princess. And I hope all is well. And please, you have to be snappy, for I am getting late too.
Why did you venture yourself into this lonely path all alone this early?
Oh, that. I'm going to the farm.
Going to the farm in this lonely path all alone?
Yes, my princess. If I don't, none will. My uncle's wife, Uju, sent me to go and pick some ripe, fresh palm nuts that she will use and prepare ofaku, panga soup.
Oh, that's not too funny. But are you not... Anyways, go well and be careful.
Thank you, my princess. Bye.
Igwe si ka m gwa unu that the reconciliation ceremony will be on the next Eke market day, and there will be an emergency meeting with the elders in council tomorrow morning. Honorable Karibe ya o.
Emergency meeting. Elders in council. We'll hear about it later.
Sorry, eh?
Geenụ ntị. Igwe si ka m gwa unu that the reconciliation ceremony will be on the next Eke market day, and there will be an emergency meeting with the elders in council tomorrow morning. Honorable Karibe ya o.
Reconciliation, I must be there. I'm going, no.
Geenụ ntị. Igwe si ka m gwa unu that the reconciliation ceremony will be on the next Eke market day, and there will be an emergency meeting with the elders in council tomorrow morning. Honorable Karibe ya o.
That reconciliation ceremony went well, and thanks to the gods of our land, they really made us proud.
Ejoma, you are very right, and I faith it did not end that day. But come to think of it, youth of Amok were more handsome than our youths.
Who did this to you, Ezinne?
Did what to me?
But it's true, Sha. Did anyone notice how Princess Orama was parading herself around with Prince Iloka of Amokwe Kingdom?
My sister, and she was feeling as if they knew each other for ages.
Oh.
Uju.
Now that my land and the land of Amokwe are settled the differences, let me go to the land of Amokwe and get something that I will use to make sure that Ogonna leave my family permanently. And nobody will know that I want to kill like Igbo bitch. My king, please tell the guys to leave us. We need to talk as a family.
Guys, excuse us. Excuse us. But you can hope all is well.
How can you possibly ask me that? Or do you think we are still very young? Look, whenever you look at us, what comes to your mind?
Nothing at all. Bro, I don't know if I am missing anything here.
Please stop this pretense. Stop this pretense for Christ's sake. Okay, look, since you don't know what I'm talking about, let me be open to you. The hidden secret about it is that I am sick and tired of the condition of our daughters, especially the first daughter, Princess Adanna. It's high time we should talk to them to get married. All these boys seeking their hands in marriage, why is it that they cannot accept one?
You made a point.
Please, I'm tired though.
And that reminds me, the recent reconciliation between us and the people of Amokwe.
What about the reconciliation?
During that ceremony, I heard that the prince of Amokwe.
You mean the Prince Iloka?
Bah.
Okay.
Is, looking for a life partner. Then and for that, I'm suggesting we send Adanna to go and stay with them for a short time. Maybe through that, Adanna and the Iloka might. You understand?
My king, I do not expect you to say this. You mean sending our own daughter, my precious daughter, to Amokwe? Hey, I hope you are not trying to use my daughter for a sacrifice. The fact that there was reconciliation recently doesn't mean we can give our daughter to our enemy. No. You know how deadly the people of Amokwe could be. Please.
That is then days. Peace has come. Let bygone be bygone. We are now in absolute peace with the people of Amokwe.
Well, you are my husband. You are the king. I can't keep arguing with you. My prayer is that it will go well.
It will go well.
I pray so.
Remember to talk to her.
No, I will do that. I will do that. Believe me, I will talk to her.
Yeah. Let me ask you, please.
Please, am I still on the right track to reach Kashmir?
Yes. When you move straight on the right side, then you will see the shrine.
Hope it's not far.
Yes, you're almost there.
Oh, thank you.
Are you listening to that? Yes, my princess. Who might be floating in this environment? My princess, I think it's from that direction. Are you sure?
Hurry. Hurry, hurry.
Good evening.
Good evening. Please, are you from this land of Abo?
Yes, I am. Hope all is well.
All is very much well. I'm looking for a chicken shrine.
Ichika Shrine. Okay. Just move down a little and ask anybody you see around. I think they will certainly be of help.
Thank you, Mom.
What are you called?
My princess, I'm called Ogonna.
And what is that song you're playing?
My princess is called Ojaoma.
I heard you're the best flutist in this kingdom.
Thank you, my princess.
I want you to come to the palace tonight and play for me.
My princess, but...
No but. What I want to hear is yes. See you at the palace tonight.
Step backward and turn around. You may come in. Da! Woman, do not sit in my shrine. Why are you here?
Wise one, there's someone I wouldn't like to live and see the sunset of tomorrow.
Is that all?
That's all, wise one.
Who is that? And what is the relationship between you and that person?
He's my husband's brother's son that wants to tear my family apart after killing his parents.
Da Mechegonu wine! Mechegonu! How dare you lie before Guwike? The gods have already revealed to me that you are the one that killed his parents and still want him dead now.
If you know you cannot do it, tell me, let me go elsewhere and get it, even cheaper.
Shut up, woman! How dare you speak in such manner? Before Guwike, don't you have respect?
Please have mercy on me.
Onyerere sobenko, onyoku wegerwa yishinwabru. Dike njikerere. Oui. I will help you. Now step forward. Take this. Squeeze it to the food we are going to serve here. And I'll take care of the rest.
Thank you.
Be careful, woman. Be careful, so that the fire you're about to ignite will not burn you. Stay out of evil after this, or else.
Uju, ajọ nwanyị, Uju, onye arụrụ ala, gba ya nkịtị.
Okay, why? Onye man coming? Come, where are you coming from? By this hour of the night?
I went to see Mandeka about the farm that we are going to tomorrow morning. Come, you let us know in a Jubu.
That is where you are sneaking in now. At this hour of the night. Better you have come in. Listen, never ever take the step or the footstep of your mother. Don't take the footstep of your mother, because she is not doing the right thing. No ya si jide koji emana na kono ya maka mana nya si wepu happen koji akolu ya joka uju ha kiji what back when ofe.
What's wrong have I done now? What did I do now? What did I do now?
I'm looking at you. Onya na gwibi one to afọ o tu base o ga choti ho dem na jofia.
Hogonna.
Mama! Stop, my son. Don't come closer to me. The death and the living does not have anything to do with me. I'm very sorry that I left you after giving birth to you.
But Mama, why? Why do you and Papa have to leave? Why do you have to leave me in this wicked world? To suffer here and die alone? Why do you have to leave? I've been praying to our chief to take my life.
Stop, my son. Don't say that again. There is more to our death. Those that killed us are still after you. Do not eat alone, my son. I repeat, do not eat alone no matter what happens. The chief that created you will never let you die. Don't be afraid, because you have not fulfilled your destiny. Go, my son.
Mama, please don't go.
Ogonna, what is it? Why are you panting so hard?
Waneka, it's nothing. I just had a terrible dream.
A terrible dream?
Yes, please go back to sleep. I'll talk to you more about it in the morning. Please go to sleep. Go.
Where? If you say so, talk to you then in the morning.
Good day, my princess.
Why are you coming now?
My princess, I am very sorry about last night. My uncle's wife warned me never to step out from the house. And you know how she used to behave. My uncle's wife would do. And that is why I came this morning so apt to make up for that of yesterday. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Just sit down and play for me.
No, my princess, I can't.
I said sit down and play for me.
I can't, my princess. Please.
This is the last time you will disobey my orders. Sit down and play for me.
I want to sing, but I cannot sing. Can I?
Ewo chimo gozere ma adezele adeze nwanyị ọma ugegbe m ji ahụ ụzọ adeze mo adeze mo adeze mo ada na-ede m mma ada ada na-ede m mma ewo chi were sekem ada n'ile mma ewo chimo gọzere m adaeze nwanyị ọma ugegbe m ji ahụ ụzọ adaeze m.
Take this one.
Okay.
That seems so delicious. Yeah, the pears. Hope you like it.
Sure. I love it. Ogonia, was this song specially made for me?
Yes, my princess. As soon as I sat on the mat, you ordered me to. Looking at your beautiful face, you turned out to be an inspiration. And that was when the song came. And I decided to dedicate it to you in person.
Thank you very much, Ogonia. So eat up, please.
Hey, my princess.
Yeah.
I guess you should be stepping back since you didn't come out with any of your maids.
Don't go there, please. I actually asked the other maiden, the one that was about following me, to prepare my favorite dishes. Since you said you're no longer interested.
It's not that I'm not interested, but you know I have to go. My uncle's wife is always on my neck. And you know that. I'm always afraid of her.
That woman. No problem. Let me not say anything.
Do you know the other day, Uju and the nature really killed me the other day. And I should never return home until I finish the whole farm work there. There I met a man who took me to his house. And after then, as he was bringing me back to the house, we met my uncle's wife. And she dragged me home and both of them pounded me like fufu.
That is good for you. I personally wanted to take this case into my own hands, but you refused. So face your problem yourself.
Thank you, my princess, for everything today. I was even wondering, is it me, a commoner, that you treated so royal?
Don't even go there. Ogonia, you are with me now. You just... I don't even know what to say, but together. So you're no longer a commoner, and please, do not call yourself a commoner.
Yes, my princess. Please, you need to hurry back now.
Okay, but I still want you to come tonight and play for me.
My princess, I don't see the possibility of coming.
Why?
My uncle's wife, of course.
See, you have to do anything and everything in your power to come and play for me. Sneak out, just do anything. But I just want to see you tonight.
I will try my best.
Promise me.
Okay, I promise.
Alright, come give me a hug. Come!
My precious jewelry. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ m. Ugegbe nji ahụ ụzọ. Oh, see, whenever I look at you, I will remember when I was young like you. Hey, that's why I'm happy. You know, you took after me. And that is why I love you so much. See, my princess, I had a discussion with your father last night. And it's about you getting married. Please, you know I'm worried. And we came to conclusion that you will travel to Amokwe and stay with the prince of Amokwe, Prince Iloka, for some times. So that two of you will get acquainted. By so doing, you people will fall in love. Why I am so inquisitive about this is that I want to carry my own grandchild now that I am still young, alive and healthy. Become one. Do it for me, Nugo.
Your Highness, I've heard you.
Oh, thank you, my princess.
And I'll do as you have said.
Hey, Imelangwamo. Hey, Obima Alo. You have brought my heart down.
Okay, let me hurry up and get my things ready.
Please do.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you. Akwanwa. Ugebenja hozo. Nwa bugodi somo. Enene beje olu. Nwa yirimo. Onwelo.
What are you doing here? You're supposed to be in the palace with father. Get up and leave. What? Don't butt me. Leave! Can you imagine?
Imagine.
We are doomed. What are we going to do?
We have been looking for you people so that we go to the bush and hunt.
Yes, we'll have to go later. But at least let us go first and change. You know we are wet already. Can we
just
go?
coming from the river, eh?
Okay, let's hurry up so that the night will not meet us here.
Okay. One nigga. I've lifted people. I will carry a very big.
Greetings, my princess. My princess, this one your face is like this. Hope you're fine.
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure you're fine?
Ogonna, what were you doing with my sister at the stream yesterday?
Oh, that. We were only playing and having fun in the stream. And I thought when you came around with your maidens, you would have joined us.
I wasn't feeling so well then.
And hope you are too good now.
Ogonna, I think I'm in love with you. I'm here with again.
Good day, my princess. Ogonna, my brother. Hope all is well.
Yes, all is fine. I'm okay. Thank you.
Oh, my princess, can see you are having a good time with Ogonna.
Hello. Ebuka, did you see what I saw?
I saw it.
You better mind your business and leave others. Stay here and be gossiping. Ndara.
My princess, what is it? I hope it's not what just happened back there.
My princess, please take it easy. Everything is going to be fine, please. Do not speak to me about easy. Because you don't know how it feels affected by a commoner. My princess, I think he's just playing hard to get.
Hard to get? My princess, I am sure he's going to come back to his senses.
Yes, my princess, please just take it easy. Everything is going to be fine, please.
Better comes back to his senses. Because time waits for no one.
first now give his friend the food to cook for him. He now went out. Before he will be back, the friend now prepared the food. You see the food and was so delicious.
But did you taste the food?
No.
How do you get to know that it's delicious?
Ah, look the face now.
I want to speak with you. Amaka, I'll see you later.
Okay, my parents.
What were you doing with that commoner at the stream today?
Nothing. We are just playing.
Playing with a commoner? Like, I don't understand. I saw you splashing water on him.
Anyone can splash water, swim, while in the stream. So we are just playing with water.
My dear sister, I don't want anything to happen to you. You know I love you so much. That's common. I might just decide to rape you or do anything stupid to you. And I don't want it for you. So I just want you to stay away from him.
Sister, I don't have anything to do with him. Please, stop saying that. I don't have anything. I just love the melody of his flute. The way he plays it. And I love the melody. That's all. I don't have anything to do with him.
I don't understand. Wait, you love the melody of his flute? Or you love him? Which of them?
Anyone, sister.
Okay, see. You know, I don't want father to do when he gets to know about you and that commoner. Just stay away from him, please. Hmm?
I will.
Oh, that's nice. So why not go inside and sleep?
No problem. I will. I'll go in soon.
Oh, okay. Let me go and sleep now. I'll see you later.
Good see you. Good night.
Ogonna. This one that your face is like this. How boy is well?
One nigga, I am scared to the bone marrow.
Scared of what? Oh God, now that I know it's not a fear for someone. Why sudden change? And why are you afraid?
About what happened today earlier at the street. You know, if the Igbo gets to hear that, we are doomed.
Ogonna, you have a point there. You have a point there. But it's never your fault. It's the princess that kept on coming after you.
It's not all about whose fault. But you know, the princess would definitely...
How are you?
We are fine.
I want to speak.
Good night, my princess.
Don't go too far. My princess, do care for it.
Sit. I left the palace with no guard, no maid, because there is something very important I want to speak with you.
What is it, my princess?
Why are you always with my sister? In the stream, farm, everywhere, both of you, I don't understand. What is happening?
Nothing, my princess. Maybe because of the sound of...
Shut up! I'm sorry. Just tell the princess to stay away from you. I don't want to see the both of you together again.
But my princess, you know that is a death sentence to me too.
Oh, that simply means you want the wrath of my father.
No, my princess. I wouldn't want the Igbo to hear that too.
Then tell my sister to stay away from you. I mean, there are so many beautiful maidens in our kingdom. And they want to stay with you. Why not just pick one of them and tell the princess to stay away from you? Promise me you'll tell her to stay away from you. Look at me! Promise me you'll tell her to stay away from me. Are you sure? Okay. I'll have to be on my way. Like I said earlier, nobody knew I left the palace. So take care of yourself.
My princess.
Has she gone?
No, she's not gone.